Have you ever wondered which vitamins are really helping your body and which ones might be doing more harm than good? We all know the importance of vitamins. They've been drilled into us since we were kids. Take your vitamins, they're good for you. But what if, despite your best efforts, some of the very vitamins you've been taking are slowly, quietly weakening your legs? It's a scary thought, isn't it? You think you're doing everything right. You take your daily supplements. You choose healthy foods. You follow the advice. But lately you've noticed something. Your legs aren't as strong as they used to be. They feel a little heavier. You take a walk, and after a few minutes, your legs start to cramp. They don't carry you as far as they used to, and you can't help but wonder, could something you're taking be making it worse? Could a simple vitamin combination that you've trusted for years be quietly undermining your strength? In this video, we're going to explore this question, and more importantly, we'll talk about what you can do about it. Because the truth is, some vitamin combos, while healthy for many, might not be ideal for you after 60. In fact, they might be doing more harm than good. So, let's take a deep breath. Let's dive into the details, and let's start thinking about how to protect your legs without losing out on the vitamins you need. Stay with me. This is going to be eye-opening. It's easy to assume that more vitamins mean more health. After all, we've been taught that vitamins are the building blocks of good health. But after 60, your body's needs change, and not all vitamin combinations are as beneficial as we've been led to believe. Let's start with vitamin D. We all know that vitamin D is essential for bone health. It helps the body absorb calcium, supports the immune system, and keeps your muscles working properly. But what happens when vitamin D is combined with vitamin E or vitamin A? It turns out that these combinations, although they may seem harmless, can actually have unintended effects on older bodies. Vitamin D works best when it's in balance with other vitamins. But when taken in excess or with certain combinations, it can disrupt the delicate systems in your body. For example, high doses of vitamin D combined with vitamin E can cause the blood vessels to become less flexible, leading to less efficient circulation. And that's where the trouble begins. Your legs are the farthest point from your heart. So when circulation is compromised, your legs don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need. This leads to the kind of leg cramps, aches, and stiffness that many seniors experience. Then there's the combination of vitamin A and vitamin K2. While vitamin A is crucial for eye health and immunity, and vitamin K2 is important for bone health, together, they can create issues. Vitamin A, when consumed in high amounts, can block the absorption of vitamin K2, which is responsible for directing calcium to the bones, instead of letting it build up in the arteries. This disrupts the natural balance, leading to a sluggish vascular system and weakened bones, which in turn affects muscle function. When muscles are deprived of the proper nutrients and circulation, they weaken. They lose their ability to contract and relax properly, which, as you might guess, leads to cramps, aches, and loss of mobility. It's not that these vitamins are bad for you. They're essential in the right balance. But the truth is, after 60, the body becomes more sensitive to these combinations. The way they interact with each other is not the same as when you were younger. In the next batch, we'll dive deeper into how the wrong vitamin combinations can quietly hurt your muscles, and we'll explore why taking them at the wrong times, or in the wrong amounts, can make it even worse. But don't worry. We're not here just to talk about the problems. We're here to offer solutions, to help you keep your legs strong, your muscles healthy, and your circulation flowing. Stay with me. There's hope on the way. Let's take a closer look at the combination of vitamin D and vitamin K2. These two vitamins are both vital, but when taken together in the wrong balance, they can actually hinder your body's natural ability to maintain strong, healthy legs. First, we know vitamin D helps with calcium absorption. Without enough vitamin D, your bones can become brittle, your muscles can weaken. But here's the catch. Vitamin D works alongside vitamin K2 to ensure calcium ends up in the bones, where it's needed, not in the arteries or soft tissues. This is where things get tricky. When vitamin D is taken in excess, and if you're also consuming high doses of vitamin K2, they can actually counteract each other. Vitamin D can cause calcium to be absorbed too quickly, and vitamin K2 can't keep up, disrupting the flow of calcium to the bones. Instead of calcium being used where it's needed, it can build up in the arteries, causing stiff blood vessels and slower circulation. And when your blood flow slows down, your legs don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong. You might feel it when you walk longer than usual. Your legs feel heavy. Your calves tighten up unexpectedly. Your ankles swell, and your knees give out just a little bit more than they used to. You might not immediately connect it to your vitamin combination. But these small, subtle changes are your body's way of telling you something is out of balance. The key here is balance. Your body needs vitamin D, but it needs vitamin K2 in the right amounts to help regulate where the calcium goes. When you don't have enough of one, or when you take too much of the other, your body struggles to repair and maintain muscle function. It struggles to get blood to the farthest points in your body, your legs. This makes sense when you think about it. Your legs are constantly working for you, but they need support, not just from muscle, but from circulation, from calcium absorption, and from vitamin balance. So, what does this mean for you? It means you need to be aware of how much vitamin D and vitamin K2 you're taking. And more importantly, it means you should focus on getting these nutrients from the right sources. In the next batch, we'll talk about the common mistakes people make when combining vitamins and why it's so important to take them at the right time and in the right amounts. But for now, know this. Your body isn't asking for more of the same. It's asking for balance, for nourishment in the right way, for a strong foundation that supports your legs, not weakens them. Let's keep moving forward, one step at a time. Let's talk about the most common mistakes people make when it comes to taking vitamins. Most of us know that vitamins are important. We know we need them for energy, for strong muscles, for better circulation. But what if we told you that how you take your vitamins can make all the difference in the world? One of the biggest mistakes seniors make is taking too many vitamins at once. We've all seen those vitamin packs, the ones that promise to give you everything you need in a single pill. It seems like a good idea, right? Why not get your vitamin D, E, and K2 all at once? But here's the thing. When you take large doses of multiple vitamins, especially vitamin D and K2 together, it can create more problems than it solves. Too much vitamin D without the proper balance of vitamin K2 can disrupt the calcium flow in your body. As we talked about before, this can lead to weakened blood vessels and poor circulation to your legs. Another common mistake: timing. Many people take their vitamins in the morning right after breakfast, which seems like the right thing to do. But did you know that some vitamins are better absorbed at certain times of the day? For example, vitamin D is best taken with a meal that contains fat because it's fat-soluble. If you don't have fat in your meal, you might not be getting the full benefit. Magnesium is another one that requires attention. Taking magnesium at night can help you relax and sleep better, but if you take it with calcium-rich foods or supplements, the calcium can interfere with magnesium absorption. And vitamin E. Many seniors don't realize it, but this vitamin can interfere with vitamin K2 absorption and cause even more disruption to your circulation. So, how do you take vitamins properly? First, pay attention to what you combine. Vitamin D and vitamin K2 should be taken in balance. Don't overdo one and neglect the other. Second, consider the timing. Take fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D with your meal, preferably a meal that has some healthy fats, like avocado or olive oil. Water-soluble vitamins like vitamin B12 can be taken in the morning to give you energy throughout the day. Lastly, remember that food is always the best source of vitamins. While supplements can help, they are never as effective as food. Real whole food gives you vitamins in their natural forms, where they work best, alongside other nutrients that help your body absorb them properly. In the next batch, we'll explore the best vitamins for seniors and how to take them in a way that supports your muscles and circulation. Because taking the right vitamins in the right amounts at the right time is one of the simplest, most effective ways to keep your legs strong and your body moving. Let's keep moving forward. Now that we've discussed the pitfalls of combining certain vitamins, let's talk about the right vitamins, the ones that support your legs without creating imbalances. Let's begin with vitamin C. This vitamin is more than just an immune booster. It's essential for the health of your connective tissue, the fibers that hold everything in place, your muscles, your joints, and your blood vessels. And for your legs, it helps with collagen production. That's the protein that supports the strength and flexibility of your muscles and skin. When you don't get enough vitamin C, your muscles begin to feel weaker, your joints stiffer, your legs less responsive. So, how do you get enough vitamin C? Look no further than fresh fruits and vegetables. Citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, spinach, and kale. These foods will provide you with the antioxidants. Your legs need to stay strong and mobile. And if you need a little extra support, a gentle supplement with vitamin C can help. But remember, food is always the best option. Your body loves food-based nutrients. Next, let's look at vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, helping protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. For your legs, this is crucial. Antioxidants help reduce inflammation, which is one of the silent causes of leg cramps and stiffness. Vitamin E works especially well when taken with vitamin C, creating a powerful combo that protects your muscles and joints. To get more vitamin E, you don't need to look far. It's found in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocado. A small handful of nuts or seeds every day is all you need to get that boost. Easy, simple, effective. Now let's talk about vitamin B12. This vitamin is essential for the nervous system. And your nerves are the critical pathways that tell your muscles when to move, when to relax, when to hold steady. Without enough vitamin B12, you might feel unsteady on your feet. Your balance may be off. You may even experience numbness or tingling in your legs. It's a vitamin that helps your legs stay coordinated with the rest of your body. You can get vitamin B12 from eating animal products, like eggs, fish, chicken, and dairy. For those who don't eat animal products, a B12 supplement might be necessary. Your doctor can help guide you on this. Remember, the key to all of this is balance, not too much of one, not too little of another. You want to make sure you're nourishing your body in the right way, with vitamins that work together to help your legs feel strong and steady. You don't need to overwhelm yourself with complex routines. Just start with small, manageable changes. A piece of fruit at breakfast, a handful of nuts at lunch, a piece of salmon at dinner. Each of these small choices will add up over time, and you'll start to feel it in your steps. In the final batch, we'll pull everything together. We'll talk about how to create a daily routine that helps you move better, feel stronger, and live without fear of cramps or weakness, because your legs deserve the best, and small changes can lead to a big difference. Let's keep moving. Imagine this. It's a sunny morning, the kind of morning where the world feels new. The sun is gentle on your face. The air is warm, but not too hot. And your legs? They feel light, strong, ready for the day ahead. You step outside, feeling the cool grass underfoot. You begin your walk, not with hesitation, but with confidence. You can feel the ground beneath you, solid and steady. No pain in your knees, no cramping in your calves, just smooth, steady steps, one after another. You take the stairs without thinking. No holding onto the railing, no pausing halfway up. Just a gentle rise to the top. You feel your muscles working, but there's no strain, no effort. You move like you're meant to move, freely, naturally, strong. This is the future your body still has waiting for you. It's not a fantasy, it's a future you can build. One step, one choice at a time. And all it takes is a little care, a little attention, and some simple, steady changes to what you put on your plate. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need to follow every trend. You just need to listen to your body. Feed it what it truly needs. Because your legs, they're still waiting for you to choose them. Choose strength. Choose freedom. Choose life. So here's your invitation. Take one small step today. Start with a piece of salmon, a handful of blueberries, a few sips of water. Start right now and build a future where your legs feel strong again. If this video spoke to you, if you're ready to take that first step, please subscribe to Strong Senior Health. Share this video with someone who could use a little more strength, a little more freedom in their steps. Because when we walk together, we walk stronger. Leave us a comment below. Tell us what step you're taking today to strengthen your legs, because every choice matters. Every step counts. Rebuild strength, reclaim life, and walk into every day with confidence.